My name is Carlos Zamora. I'm going to tell about the three question. First question is what is the best movie that I have ever seen? My best movie is How to Train Your Dragon because the dragon have cool design and that why is my favorite movie. And the second question is an important event in my life. An important event for me is Christmas Day because we have meet as a family.